Hello, I welcome you to today's video section on website creation. My name is Josephine and I'm going to take you through some simple and very basic steps in getting a website made. I've made these steps more simpler by grouping it into 3 main steps, which I call the 3 steps of website creation. Step 1. Registering a domain name. Before a website is created, you need a domain name. The domain name is the familiar web addresses such as mywebsite.com that most browsers use to find a particular website. Domain names, in fact, are pointers to a particular IP address, and we use them because they are easier to remember than a series of numbers. The first step in registering a domain name is to choose it. The name can be almost anything you want, but to be most effective, it should reflect the nature of your website. If you are selling watches, for example, it helps to have a domain name that has some reference to watches. Example, a1watches.com. The rules for domain name are simple. Only letters, numbers, or hyphens are allowed. Other than that, a domain name is limited to 70 characters, but you are usually advised to keep it as short as possible. Domain names can be upper or lower case. Case is ignored, but you can use a combination to make the name more recognizable. There are several extensions available for domain names. The most common is the .com. Other extensions include .base for commercial sites, .org for non-commercial sites, .net for organizations involved in internet infrastructure, and .name for personal names. Step 2. Website hosting. You have selected a domain name. Register it and sign up with a web host. Your web host has to provide you with details about how to get your site up and running. This information includes passwords to get into your account, paths to directories where your file should be uploaded, and most importantly, what your domain name's servers are. Step 3. Uploading your website. After you have opened an account with a web host and set the DNS, you can start uploading your web pages. The most common way to do this is to use file transfer protocol software, but there are also some other options. File transfer protocol is an internet protocol that allows data files to be transferred from one computer to another. Your web host would provide information about how to connect to your site using file transfer protocol. File transfer protocol is the most common way to upload files to your website, but is by no means the only way. Some web authoring packages have built-in transfer methods to automatically upload your entire site or individual pages. Microsoft Front Page is an example of this type of transfer method. In order to take advantage of it, you need to have front page extensions installed on your website.
How?
You can request for features from your web host. Other authoring packages have built-in file transfer protocol software so that you can build your site and upload with one familiar interface. I hope our lessons for today has been useful. Until I come your way some other time. Bye.